In Tesla's Q2 2025 financial results, they dropped a bombshell. Tesla's Model 2 is coming this November. Yes, you heard that right. A Tesla for just $14,999. But how is that even possible? And more importantly, is it really worth your money? For years, the dream of an affordable Tesla seemed out of reach. But now, Tesla's turning that dream into reality. They've been talking about creating a budget-friendly EV for the masses, and now it's finally here. The Model 2, rolling off the Fremont Factory lines, is about to make a serious splash in the EV world. This is a massive shift for a company. Known for its high-end cars like the Model S and Model X, but the Model 2 isn't about luxury, it's about accessibility. Priced at just $14,999, it's set to revolutionize the market and make EVs more affordable than ever before. So, what does the Model 2 bring to the table? Well, it's small, minimalist, and designed with efficiency in mind. It's about 30% smaller than the Model 3, but still packs a punch when it comes to performance. The car will be lightweight, thanks to a large portion of its frame being crafted from aluminum. This isn't just to save weight, this is a move to increase efficiency, improve performance, and extend that battery range. Speaking of the battery, the Model 2 will feature a 53 kilowatt-hours LFP battery. Expect a range of about 250 miles on a single charge. Not mind-blowing, but for under $15,000, it's pretty impressive. Tesla's been crushing it in battery tech lately, and while the Model 2 doesn't get the fancy 4,680 cells, the LFP cells will still provide solid performance. Inside, don't expect luxury. The interior will be stripped-down basic finishes. Smaller touchscreen, no fancy leather seats. But hey, it's all about cutting costs while still providing a solid driving experience. The Model 2 won't be trying to wow you with its features. It'll be getting you from A to B in style, efficiency, and of course, electric power. Now, let's talk about the price. At $14,999, this could be the car that disrupts the entire EV market. Tesla's been making a name for itself with premium cars, but this Model 2? It's a game changer for those who've always wanted an EV, but couldn't afford one. And let's face it, the competition, especially from Chinese automakers like BYD, has been heating up in the affordable EV space. The real question is, can Tesla maintain its high standards at this price point? Will the Model 2 still deliver the quality, performance, and innovation we've come to expect from the brand? Or are they cutting too many corners to keep costs low? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, the Model 2 is about to stir things up in the EV world. What do you think? Will the Model 2 live up to the hype? Or is Tesla setting itself up for a fall? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you want to stay updated on all things Tesla, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video and subscribe to Tesla Car World for more exciting content. Turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.